some crazy stuff, yo.
Well, look at this genius. With competition like this, no wonder I'm selling my mugs. Well, he's got a 44-ounce mug here. It's used. And he wants $17.99 plus $10 shipping. These 44-ounce mugs don't weigh but 13 ounces. So why he's charging $10 shipping, I have no idea. And look at this. He left the damn price sticker on the bottom. $7.99. And if you look at the inside of it, it don't look very clean either. So that's probably just a shadow, but it still looks bad. You don't want bad looking pictures, especially when you're selling something that's used. But yeah, I wish him luck. I'm glad he's there. He makes mine look a lot better, don't he? Look at this happy horse shit. That just makes me want to cry. I can't spell 4-letter words. I mean, come on. Value Hunter sent us another package. Almost made it here intact. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Well, we got a Value Hunter sticker, which much improved, I must say. We got some cinnamon red hot candy, which I despise hot candy, or all things hot as far as that goes. We got the Sticker Mule sticker. We got a $5 silver certificate from 1953. We got a hobo nickel. If you see the pock marks on his face there, it's supposed to look like a 5 o'clock shadow. Get in there, get in. Alright, there you go. You can see it now. Yeah. We got that. I don't know what to say about that. I'd say something smart aleck, but it's probably something stupidly rare or something. I have no idea. We got a 1941, what is this, Walker half dollar? I believe that's what it's called, Walking Eagle. Okay, showed the Buffalo nickel. We got a 1976 BU quarter, San Francisco Mint, silver quarter. It's still in the little package. 3 barber dimes. 2 shillings, a 1932 and a 1940. A 1964 Canadian half dollar. It's 80% silver. Whoops. Your coin flips are, well, let's just say a piece just broke off and flew across the table. Not that I'll leave them in these flips anyway. 1942 to 1967. You understand, I buy these things for the silver content, so. 25th anniversary. Only 100,000 printed, 90% silver. It's 3/4 of an ounce of silver. $1952 Mexican parking token, 0.6431. We got another one here. It's a 1953 Mexican parking token, 0.6431. I'll send these to Scrappy. He seemed to enjoy his last ones. Alright, the silver weights, 0.373, 89879 troy ounces. At today's market price of melt, it is $100.95, and that is not counting, of course, the nickel or the currency, since it has no silver content. But just the silver is $100. So that's not counting any, was it, numismatic value. One would imagine a BU quarter would be worth more than just a silver melt. So this is what I got from Value Hunter. Go check him out. He usually has auctions on Sundays. Subscribe to his channel. Hit the notification bell. And don't bid against me.